Maayong hapon ba? So nakuha na sa gid nako ang kuan, ang akong camera ang A7C. So kaning just a backstory, kaning camera akong ipaayo kay ang iyang shutter na lag. So I think did vlog, nakalimutan kong nag-vlog pag ko. But yeah, mo lang nahitabo karon when I got this camera, ang grip na iburot murag ang grip ba kanang butangan manag kanang gulitanan ba kanang naay murag burot-burot kamay so niya na ako nga ngano guba man nga di man guba mo padala na ako so niya na ang katong nagtindahan nagayo yeah we'll fix it so nagpalit sila katong grip pero na delay so dugay na sa ganito siya before nabalik na ako nakashoot na sa ko sa ka-event gunsa but the thing is now it's back with me so yeah, while this was away, kaning camera, while gipaayo ni siya, nag-think ko ba, ibaligyan lang kanina ako, no? Kaya mura man siya, mas nindot yung 10-bit, mas nindot ako na lang ilis danog A7 IV, para nindot ba, para 10-bit ang camera, nindot na na. Then, pag-abot na camera today, naayo naman nila, paspas na nag-shipping mga 2 to 3 days, na abot na camera, hikapos camera, sus, gamay mga camera, nindot na kay dadon, nindot kay bit-bito, baka mag-story ako nani, gamay nga camera ba niya, patangan ako gamay nga lens, 18mm nga samyang, nindot mga kayo. So, nitabo ko rin, nag-think na sad ko nga, date na sad ako ibaligya, kay nindot na niya camera. Sula lagi, ganahan ko, kaning A7C, mura gining camera, nga kanang brag, di na ako kinanglan mo, baligya na ako. Then, inigamit na ako, makaingo nga, nindot mo gini siya camera. Sakto rin yung weight, but for like, akong buhaton na niya is using it. I'm gonna use it for vlogging, for videos, for photo also. Nindot mo siya photo, 24 megapixels. Wala siya S-Log, but the thing is, either way, it's still a good camera. So, anak ba, di mo ganahan mo baligya mo na karon, na-keep na sa akong camera. The camera is still here. Yeah, di ko ganahan mo baligya. So, I think this camera is gonna stay with me for a while. If Sony's gonna release a camera in anig size, full frame in anig size, then 10-bit ang yung video. Maski na wala kay upgrade sa photo kung sa maski same lang ang photo or sa mga 24 megapixels tingali or 21 and then nindot siya video. So I'll move to that. But as of now, yeah, sa mga videos na akong ipabuhat lately, I don't really need that much 10-bit video. But it's nice if I can do 10-bit video para makapractice ko edit. But yeah, Cine 4 is just fine. Dynamic range, vlogging naman siya, personal vlogging, mga inani. So I don't need everything like blown out of the sky just to sacrifice it. So okay ra sa ni siya camera. Then yeah, I just love the size. I just love what it can do. It's not the best photo kung gusto kag mag-event, but for just normal taking photos, okay siya ang camera. So, yeah, we're keeping the camera for now, and I don't know what will happen next. If I think to sell it again, i-post na to. And bago akong mata, nagburot-burot, and I look like shit. Anyway, nakibuhato nun. Sige, kita-kits later. Bye. So karon it's raining. It's not that cold compared to winter. Nag-t-shirt lang ko. But yeah, it's gloomy. It's a bit cold, pero yeah, much better. But anyway, kanang wala siya ang weather karon is a bit this, but we'll see how it goes. Akong utok nag-brain fog. Just got this camera. I just want to test it. So itong vlog karon is just like more on talking about the camera, saying how it goes and everything else and how it feels. So I kind of miss this camera here. I was really planning of selling it, but now that I have it now, I feel that it's so light. Like kung magkanang ZV10 ko, ZV10 ikatay, mag ZV10 ko katong gamay nga APS-C, nindot siya nga camera. But the thing is, if you think about it, grabe sa siya rolling shutter. Let me see. This one here has not much rolling shutter and depende sa di sa kang magpaspas og kanang ana sa kamot. And this camera here is full frame, so nice kasi sa low light, nindot yung sensor, nindot yung colors. The other one, I think it's the same as all the crop cameras, and I've used the A6500 first aning Sony and I liked it, but with this camera here, it's full frame. It's very good with low light. It's so light right now. It's so small. Yeah, I think we're keeping this camera here. Yeah, it would have been nice kung 10 bits siya, but the thing is, it would need a lot of power. It's gonna maybe overheat or something. This is just fine for now for simple vlogging. So yeah, we're keeping the camera. So, kalit lang kayo ba yung panahon nagluto ko barbecue niya. Wala na ako ma-video. So, wala gigutom sa ko. Ikaw na mo bitso. Na lang ko mag-shoot good. And nanimahaw ko nga sukaron. But I need to do a lot of things. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and do what I need to do. And just leave you with a video from a... just leave you with a video from my phone. Slow motion sa Barbie. But anyway. Mauna. So nabutan ko ND filter niya murag ni usab ang colors. But lang pero nagimo og coffee. Di kay kumay mo himog coffee kasi nagkaton pa ko. But yeah. Feels good to me. I don't know kung mo inom mo ni ganahan ba mo, but the thing is even the art is really so bad. But anyway, mo na siya. Musud na ko balik kay murag ni hangin tugnaw gamay. Tugnaw lang gamay lang noon, pero yeah. So, let's do skadlaw na and just finishing what I need to do. Nanak ko laing buhat ng ugma. It's around 2 a.m. Baho na kaya kong ilok. I smell like shit. Kailangan ko mag-shower before ko matulog. But I need to wake up early tomorrow because I need to do some things kailangan i-finish. So for now, yeah, I might be able to upload this video. So kung nakakita mo sa uploaded date, it's nearly real time if I can finish editing it today. But if I should be able to. But yeah, saan siya sa mga vlogs nga kanang strike anywhere or unplanned. So hope you appreciate it one way or the other. Anyway, akong utok brain fog na niya. Sinaw in English niya. Ano, kasabot ka na mura kaghubog na nagalutaw. So mo na siya. See you tomorrow.